my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video we have a Beautylish unboxing for you guys. Now this is a Jeffree Star Beautylish unboxing box. I'm so excited to open this. So my lovely friend Free the Tomatoes sent me this. Beautylish was doing a mystery box. I know Jeffree Star's doing his mystery boxes for his summer collection at the minute, but these are the Jeffree Star mystery boxes from Beautylish. So this is what this one is. So I thought I would open it up on camera so you guys can see what's inside. I'm so freaking excited. Now also in this, she has put in there, thank you Janine, I'm very, very thankful. She wanted to do, it was a best friends day, so she wanted to get me something. She does live in Canada, go subscribe to her, she's amazing. Mwah. Love her. She did also send me a Good Molecules cleaning mitt and also the Fuck Proof mascara as well. So that is in here as well. So that's not going to be an extra to the box, but we will find it in there because I don't know the layout of how it is. I don't know if the box is like specific or if it's just all the stuff in there. So pretty much it was a $75 mystery item box of all of the Jeffree Star, like all kind of different things. So I have no idea what's in here. So I'm just excited. So let's open her up. I'm just going to bend this back. So what we've got here is we've got a little clarifying cleanse bar. This is our wee sample we've got. And then we've got the Fuck Proof mascara. So this is what she brought me initially. And then we've got our Good Molecules facial cleansing mist. So everything out and so yes, amazing. I'm excited to try these. I have tried these. I'm wearing this right now, and even though it comes off easily, I do actually like it for long wear. It will rub off and it does kind of smudge a wee bit. But this is the stuff that comes in the mystery item box thing. This is all the stuff in here. So I can already see one of the items is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 5-year anniversary collection. So this all up, this box is $75. So I'm excited to open it. I love all these shades here. Drug Lord I use as a liner and I've nearly run out of my one. So this is literally perfect. Then we've got Doll Parts Androgyny, and then that's Ho Ho, which my one is old and it is crusty, so I'm very excited. And this shade I love as well. This was, what shade was this one? This was Mistletoe. I love both of those shades, but my shades are so old that they're all dry, so I'm excited because now I have a new set, so yay! Oh my god, that's a really cool thing to get in this pack as well. So I'm excited because that's a pretty big item. Then we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. I've also got a mirror, definitely. I know this mirror when I see it. Oh, is it a black mirror? Because that will be exciting. I've got a black one and it's got a crack in it. So this will be really, really cute if it's the black one, although I don't know. The rest of the stuff, I'm not sure what it is, but I wanted to open this one because I know that this is a mirror. So I'm excited. I'm like, for $75, already that is like a $35 value, I think. The mirrors themselves, I think, are like $30 or $40. So we've pretty much made the price of the box already. So I'm excited. It's like Christmas because I literally don't know what any of this stuff is. So that's why it's so cool. And I'm so thankful, Janine. Thank you. Alright. Yes, it's the black one. Oh, I love it because my one's got a big crack in it. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I want to bedazzle this so bad. That's awesome that they have just the plain ones in the boxes as well. Just like, look how perfect that is. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Yes, I love the mirrors as well. I was literally like, I need more of the mirrors. They're so cute. And I loved the black one and I've bedazzled it with pearls on it. I'm going to get it. So this is my current black one. You can see how worn it is. Like, look at the difference between the new and the old one. Like, look. This one's so old. And then this one's got a big crack in here. So it's like not so perfect. It's got some cracks in the side, cracks, the chips all around the corner. This is like my first mirror I ever got. So I'm like, yay, now I have two because I love the black ones. Yay. All right, so we're going to open. What do we have in here? I think that might be, is that the Thirsty palette? Is that the limited edition? Like, they're not selling it anymore, even though I've already got it, but they don't sell it anymore, don't make it anymore. Like, collector's item Thirsty palette. Like, let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, there's concealer as well. I can see it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm like closing my eyes because I don't want anything to be like spoiled. What have we got in here? So we have the Thirsty palette. Yes. Already, just those three items alone has covered the price of the box, the $75 box. So this is a really good mystery box to be getting like when you don't know what's in there. Then we've got the Magic Star concealer. This must be the... because this is in shade Lavender, so this must be like the color corrector. That's really cool. I'm like, how to use, someone teach me how to use like color correcting things, because bitch, I don't know, but that's real cool. But I just love like how pretty that looks, like so aesthetic. Oh my god. And those are expensive too, so I am actually like, wow, I'm really impressed with the quality of this box, and also still gobsmacked with the fact that Janine brought it for me, so thank you. That's why I keep going on about it. Then we've got the translucent Magic Star powder. Yes, I literally, is this the new one? These are the new ones. Yes, I literally have this, and I've nearly run out of it. This is the beige one. Oh, well, actually, I haven't nearly run out of it. I've had this, I use this all the time. This is my tried and true. So I'm like, yay, I've been wanting to try these new ones as well. That's awesome. And it's in shade translucent, so you can't go wrong. Oh my god, yes. And then what do we have here? Oh, a gloss in the Gloss brand. What is this shade? Mouthful. Oh, what is this? What one is this one? Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Oh my god. That's so adorable. I love it. Oh my gosh, I want to put that on right now. Oh my god. Yes. I just love the smell of these glosses, honestly. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh my god. Wow. I'm blown away by the quality of this mystery items. Like, even if they are just cleaning out the items, like, I'm still just like, yes, amazing. And I actually like that I don't have 3 of the things I've already unboxed. Oh, then we've got the mini controversy. Is this the one that is the one without the green shade, I think? Because I know I do have this, but no, it's the, yes, it's the one I don't have. Yes. Oh my god, that's perfect. This literally is the one that's got put it back in it. This is the one I don't have, and I was like, there's no point buying another one because just to get one shade in there, but now I have one in perfect condition. Oh my god. Okay, literally for the packaging, because this is the other one that I've got. Oh my god, that is too funny. Now I've got both. See? Like, see how they are different? I'm like, hang on. That one's got more green. This one does. But oh my god, that's so funny. That's literally so funny. Oh, I'm so stoked. Yay. That's awesome. All right, what else do we have in there? Oh my god, I'm blown away. This is a crazy good value. Then we've got the, oh my god, yes, the Diet Lip Scrub, the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star one. This one sold out. I couldn't actually buy it, so oh my god. Ah, I'm so excited. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, crack this open. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I had a lip scrub and I had it for so long. It was so gross. I don't have any anymore, so this is so exciting. I'm like, where's my mitt so I can clean my thing off? I'm just, I'm gonna rub this off. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. That tastes good too. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. So from this mystery box, I'm actually really blown away because I do not, the only thing out of this mystery box I actually own is these separately, but not the actual pack. The Black Mirror, but mine's already broken. And the Thirsty palette. But to get the Thirsty palette, and oh my gosh, like, there's a really good quality mystery box. I'm really like, holy crap, I'm so impressed. Like, there's so much stuff in here. Like, this mirror would be like $30. This would be $30. That's about $30. That's about $50. That's about $30. That's like $20. That's $20. That's $20. This is such a good value for only $75. Like, what the hell? So, honestly, I'm so stoked, and I'm stoked to have another fuck-proof mascara because I love the packaging of this. Is just so divine. Even though in my video I had that it does peel off, because it does peel off very quick. I've got it on and I've like, I can show you. It literally just like peels off. See, it's like, hi, it's gone. It's peeled off. Because it's peeled off doesn't mean that it's not good. It just doesn't do what it says on the packaging. That's why I was kind of a bit like, I don't like that. But this is amazing. And thank you so much, Janine. This is literally so cool. There's so much stuff in here. I literally can't get over it. There's so much stuff. Like, this is so cool. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of the Beautylish unboxing like Jeffree Star products. I'm really amazed by the actual products that are in here. They're really good quality products, and they didn't skimp out and give you like all of the shit items. Like, some would say they're trying to get rid of the Shane Dawson items, but there's only 2 in there, and 2 palettes out of that 5 lipsticks, a gloss, a concealer, powder, lip scrub, mirror. Like, to get all that in a $75 package is friggin' awesome. I really hope that Jeffree Star's mystery boxes are going to be this well filled. Otherwise, might need to stick to just the Beautylish ones because I'm genuinely impressed. And that's such a good one because I only own 2 of the products technically. Like, you know, I don't own them all together. So a lot of this I can use as display. Like, I'm so freaking stoked. I can see a lot of reviews coming from here. So if you see anything in this and you want a review of it, let me know in the comments down below. But until next time, I love you guys so much and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much, Janine. I love it. Yay!